everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am bringing you guys a stuffed lobster recipe. This video was recorded a couple months ago and I'm just now editing it to post it for you guys. So if you guys like it, let me know in the comments. So here I have 2 lobster tails and about 1 pound of shrimp. And what I'm going to be doing here is just cleaning them, peeling them, and deveining the shrimp. For these shrimp, just make sure when you rinse your shrimp, you're going to rinse your shrimp with lime or vinegar. Whatever you have is fine. And you're just going to make sure that you clean your shrimp until your water is clear. You guys should let me know in the comments how you clean your poultry and your veggies. Maybe I could learn something new from you guys. So here I have my lobster tails, and what we're going to be doing here is we are just going to be butterflying them, which is just cutting them down the middle and pulling the meat back onto the shell. Si me estás viendo en español, te voy a decir cómo vas a limpiar la langosta. Primero vas a limpiar la camarón y vas a limpiar la langosta y lo vas a cortar en medio. La manera que yo limpio mi langosta y mi camarón, yo lo limpio con limón. También lo puedes limpiar con vinagre o naranja. So as you can tell, the shells are pretty thick. So you're just going to try your best to just cut down the shells. So after you got your meat out of your lobster tails, what you're going to do is just rinse your lobster tails off with some water. You can also clean it with limes and oranges and some vinegar also. Vas a tener que tener mucha fuerza a romper la langosta porque la piel de la langosta es muy dura. ¿Te gusta mi video? Y si te gusta mi español, decime abajo en los comentarios, porque yo no voy a saber si te gusta el video si no me avisas. Now my lobster tails are all cut, and what we're going to be doing here now is just rinsing them and just rinsing them over water. Aquí puedes mirar que lo estoy limpiando de adentro y lo estoy limpiando de afuera. Make sure you are cleaning inside of your shell also, because that is where the stuffed seafood is going to be going in. Asegúrate que estás limpiando muy bien la langosta. You can see here I'm bringing back the shrimp and I'm just rinsing the shrimp off. I think I rinsed it off about 3 times until the water was clear. Aquí lavé mis camarones como 3 veces hasta que el agua sale clara. Here I'm cutting my shrimp into smaller bite-sized pieces. Aquí estamos cortando la camarón. Lo voy a cortar en medio y en pedacitos chiquitos. Here I have 2 cans of jumbo lump crab meat, and what I'm going to be doing here is just pouring it in the bowl, and I'm just going to be separating it and pulling it apart. Aquí tengo 2 latas de carne de jaiba y aquí lo voy a echar y lo voy a hacer por partes. You're just gonna pull it apart and just make sure all the crab lump meat is just separated. Here we have everything ready. We have the crab meat, the shrimp, and the lobster tails. Now here we are going to season our shrimp. So I have my complete sauce, and then I have soy sauce, Old Bay, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and chili flakes. And here I have my veggies. For my veggies, you will need 1 green bell pepper, 2 onions, 2 celery sticks, and some parsley. Todos los pimientas que usé lo voy a poner abajo, pero para los vegetales vas a necesitar 2 apios, 1 chile verde, 2 cebolla blanca y perejil. Then here we are going to cut everything, just mince everything up into like small bite-sized pieces. Y ahí en el video te voy a enseñar cómo vas a cortar todo, pero lo vas a cortar en pedacitos chiquitos. If you're liking my video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and go subscribe for more videos. For the people that don't know and that are new to my channel, I am bilingual, I am Hispanic, I am Guatemalan and Belizean, so that's why I am doing my videos in English and Spanish, because I do have friends and family members that only speak Spanish. I had old coworkers that would watch my video and they'll be like, oh, yeah, your food looks good, but I don't understand any of it because it's in English. And I'm like, okay, you know what? I'm gonna start making my videos in Spanish so you guys can learn my recipes in Spanish as well. And at this moment, I just want to thank God for giving me this ability to cook and to teach others how to cook. Here I am just bringing my pan to a medium heat, and I'm adding 1 stick of butter with some olive oil, and we're just going to start sauteing our veggies. Aquí tengo mi olla y a mi olla lo estoy calentando a mediano, y a la olla le voy a echar mantequilla, un poquito de aceite de oliva y los vegetales. You're going to saute your veggies for about 2 minutes. What I did here is I did add like half of my veggies, and then I did stir it a little bit, and then I added the rest of my veggies. Aquí lo cociné por 2 minutos. So after you add your garlic, you are going to start adding your shrimp and your crab meat, and then to that I did season it with the previous seasons that I did use for the shrimp. Después que cocinaste las vegetales, le vas a echar la camarón y la jaiba. La vas a cocer y le vas a echar un poquito más pimientas de las pimientas que usé para la camarón. Okay, now the secret ingredient. What you're gonna do is get like 2 packs of Ritz crackers. I put them in a plastic bag and I just started smashing them. And what you're gonna do with the Ritz crackers, once they're smashed, you're just gonna dump them into the pot with the shrimp, crab, and veggies. Aquí tengo un bolsa de los galletas, los Ritz, y aquí solo lo voy a hacer en pedacitos chiquitos y después lo voy a echar a la camarón, los vegetales y la jaiba. after you mix the Ritz in with the veggies, what we're gonna do here is just butter up our lobster tails, and then we're going to start stuffing them. Ahora que terminases cociendo todo, solo lo vas a agarrar y lo vas a empezar a meter adentro de la cola de la langosta. Lobster tails are stuffed. I'm just going to add a couple pieces of butter on top. I'm preheating my oven to 375 and I did bake them for about 30 minutes. En este momento calenté mi horno a 375 y lo vamos a cocer por 30 minutos, chequeándola cada como 10 minutos. I am just re-seasoning the top of the lobster tails basically with some Old Bay, soy sauce, olive oil, basically everything that I use to season the shrimp. Y encima solo eché mantequilla de ajo. And after the 30 minutes, you should have 2 beautiful lobster tails. Delicious. Después de los 30 minutos vas a tener langosta, deliciosa, rico. Let me know how you guys like my video. Don't forget to subscribe. If you guys tried the recipe out, let me know. Thank you for watching.